please subscribe and thank you.
Hey everybody, that was my husband being a butt. But I'm here to show you guys what is going on sale next week for April 1st through April 7th. I might go to Walgreens on Easter Sunday after we do the Easter thing before we go out to eat, just to show you guys some deals. So I'm still thinking about it. It all depends. Or I might just go later that night because usually these places are open. It is going to be a very slow week on Easter. The thing I am excited about is 50% off of Easter stuff. So if you want to get stuff for next year. But here we have the all laundry detergent for $2.99. Now we do have those $1 off of 1 coupons, plus we also have $2 off of 2 coupons. I did not get those, but most of you guys should have gotten them. You guys will get those in the 311 Red Plum, making them just $1.99 a piece. So if you guys are brand loyal, that could be a decent deal. Here we got Dove body wash and soap, Dove Care. Buy one, get one 50% off, and then you guys will get 3,000 points when you guys spend $15. We do have coupons, but they do expire that Sunday, so just letting you guys know on that. Not much going on. They're starting Red Nose Day, but they got the tissues, or they got the toilet paper and the paper towels for $5. That's not a great deal. I mean, yes, it does help, you know, help out, but it's not the greatest deal for coupon-wise. Right here we got Max, Chunky Max Soup. Now, I know there was a coupon on coupons.com for buy one, get one free. I am not sure if it's still on there, but hopefully you guys were able to print that off. So you guys can get something like that. You get 2 things of soup for $2.50. Here we got the Heinz Ketchup. Now, if you guys go to Heinz.com, there is a coupon right here where you guys can buy one Heinz and get a backup free. I don't know how long it'll last for, but if you guys want to print those coupons off, you can go ahead and print them off. So that comes out to be $2.99 for 2 things of ketchup, which could be a pretty decent deal, $1.50 a piece. Soda is 3 for $3. Now, if they include the Canada Dry, I know there's some deals with Ibotta that you guys could end up getting those for like 50 cents a bottle, which could be a decent deal. Not much going on. I mean, they got sub cereal for 2 for $5 if you guys need some more cereal. Candy, nothing's really like a great deal. I know they have the Orbit gum. We do have some $1 off of 2 coupons. So you guys could get them for $1.50 a pack, which basically there's a 3-pack of them. You pay like, you know, 50 cents a pack for a 3-pack. So it's up to you guys what you guys want to do on that, but not much going on in the whole candy section. I know they're slowly getting away from register rewards, so that is probably why we don't see very much of them as we used to. Here they got it right here for if you guys spend, what I think it says $10 or more, you get 2,000 points. So if you guys get these coupons, I never do. If I do, I do, that's awesome. But if you guys buy 2 of these and maybe 1 of these, you guys could get some points. I know we're getting 50-cent Puffs tissues coupons, so those will come to be 49 cents. So that's a great price. I don't remember seeing any Dawn dish soap, so there's that. But Glade, nothing really going on. Clorox 2 for $5. Candles, buy one get one 50% off. Then they got some garden stuff, buy one get one 50% off. Some toys, action figures, 25% off. Medicines or vitamins, all buy one get one free. Other stuff, buy one get one 50% off. It's just not a great week for couponing, which is fine. If you guys ever need to take a break, this would probably be one week I say take a break. Yeah, not much going on with the whole medicines and all that fun stuff. Here they have, here they got the Olay body wash for $4.99. Now I think we are getting $2 off coupons for the Olay body wash. I can't remember how much for the Old Spice. I don't know if it's $1 or $2. But they also have this deal where if you guys buy 3, you get 2,000 points. I am a huge fan of Olay body wash. Walgreens now has their own brand of body wash for $3. If you guys want to try something new, you never know with the Walgreens brand. I have a feeling we'll be seeing some great deals with that. The next page, they got the Crest toothpaste, mouthwash, and toothbrushes for $3.99. I know we're getting $1 off coupons, and then you guys get a $5 register reward when you buy 3 of them. I'm going to probably pass on that deal because it's not the greatest deal. I mean, you guys will end up paying $9 and you get $5 back. That comes out to be $4. No, not a great stock up price. Deodorants, if you spend $15, you get 3,000 points. Here, I think this is kind of nice because there are some Johnson Baby coupons that pop up from time to time, or there's hang tags, but it says if you buy 2, you get 5,000 points. So that's a great deal. I'm going to see what we can do with that. Pantene is buy one get one 50% off. There is a $5 off a 3 coupon. Survey is buy one get one 50% off. Plus we have a $5 off a 2 coupon in the Walgreens booklet. And we got those coupons that you guys can use in the inserts. But if you read the small print, it's only 1 coupon per coupon. So like there's 4 different coupons. You can only use 1 of those and maybe another one of the other ones. So not the greatest deal. A lot of makeup is buy one, get one 50% off. A lot of you guys should be using those Rimmel coupons. I know we have some Maybelline coupons. I think we have some Revlon. I can't remember on that. But now we're at the last page of the Walgreens ad. They got candy bars for 59 cents. Those are great filler items if you guys need some filler items or something like that. Here they got the Tide Pods or Tide detergent, $4.99. We'll be getting a $3 off coupon. Then if you spend 10, you get 2,000 points. I wouldn't say that's the greatest deal, so there's that. But yeah, it is going to be a very slow week at Walgreens, which is fine, you know. It's nice to get caught up on other things. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys all another time. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.